Could Amazon option be repo, XRP, XVR for Amazon Pay?
Check this.
Could Amazon option be repo, XRP, XVR for Amazon Pay? Rumor and truth. Why the constant speculation about Amazon deal won't end soon? The reason is hinged on Amazon's need to integrate their business with emerging technology trend that will help cement their dominance. One of these technology advancements comes in the form of blockchain via cryptocurrency. The scenario leads to one big question, and what is that question? If Amazon wanted to have a crypto as the payment currency for their giant online presence, what option do they have? They will likely look at the top 10 or 20 cryptocurrency from the coin market cap, and honestly, not many of them offer a good platform as Ripple, SRP. It's scalable, reduce risks of wide price swing, and interoperate different network. Yes, Ripple can do that. Out of the first 10, Ripple is number 3 on the coin market cap. Out of the top 10, only Litecoin come close to being able to challenge XRP. Ripple appeal is the associated end user experience. You see, it's easier for the millions of customers on Amazon.com to relate to payments calculated in XRP than in BTC or even LTC. For that matter, you can imagine. The value of Bitcoin makes it unsuitable for the common shopper. Paying for items using 100 XRP is easier to understand than 0.0002 BTC. You can imagine how I said it's 0.0002. Given a choice, therefore, the former provides the end user experience suitable for Amazon business model. That's what I think. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any shape, kind, or form. What I'm saying is my own opinion. My opinion is based on research. You two listening to me can actually do your own research.
Check this.
Ripple XRP is a popular top cryptocurrency supporting an ecosystem of brilliant solutions for banks, payment providers, and businesses. The RippleNet offers 3 blockchain solutions in the form of XRapid, XCurrent, and XVR. All these solutions are geared toward making money move easily, faster, and cheaper. Major partners with banks around the globe have seen its XCurrent platform being piloted and used. Payment providers like MoneyGram, Lilian Payments, and others are in the process of using XRapid to source for liquidity. And just the other day, Ripple announced the addition of 5 new XVR customers to their growing list of users. See? These are FairFX, Exchange for Free, Rational FX, UniPay, and Money Match. With more and more businesses utilizing Ripple, it means it is only a matter of time before the big boys join the team. XVR for Amazon Pay, that's the question. The question is Amazon going to use XVR? Amazon's move to partner some of the major banks to develop a product aimed at the younger generation of consumers and those without bank accounts could be a sign XRP may be used at some point. It also seems to have Amazon Pay, a payment product in the height of paper used at brick and mortar stores. Ripple XVR could be a solution the e-commerce giants may consider. That's what I think. What else may accelerate a partnership? Competition is a very big part of business management. Therefore, expect to see the speculation gain more in cryptocurrency. If another big player like Alibaba decided to integrate one of the cryptocurrency, it would naturally mean that the others will have to follow suit. Also to be considered is the recent deal that saw Verge partner with MindGate. It would be surprising if the Amazon Ripple speculation gain a lot of momentum in the coming days. Do you want to earn some Bitcoin? BitcoinTeam.club is an automated peer-to-peer Bitcoin donation website on the Big Daddy blockchain. I will leave an affiliate link for BitcoinTeam.club website in the comment section below. One of the benefits of BitcoinTeam.club I like so much is the free crypto trading signal. which members enjoy despite the opportunity available to them to earn over 4.9 Bitcoin in simple 4 level. Isn't this amazing? I see bitcointeam.club as a platform to earn some Bitcoin and trade cryptocurrency profitably with their free crypto trading signal. The Bitcoin community has another way of encouraging our supporters. Wow! Sign up today using my affiliate link on the pinned comment section below. Once again, thank you for taking out your time to watch this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative news from the crypto space. See you guys in my next video. Buy the deep, say hi. Bye bye.
Check this.